Good morning. Yesterday only this Wonderla has opened in Bhubaneswar, and today we had come to visit the Wonderla Bhubaneswar. It is about 20 to 25 kilometer away from Bhubaneswar towards Khordha. Okay. You can come by bus on NH and take a auto or Ola to reach here, or you can come with your own vehicle to this place. There are ample parking space there. This is the main entrance. Once you get in, you have to get the ticket from help desk from the right side and then enter. Then you can have the locker facility here, and if you don't have clothes for water sports, you can buy the water sports clothes from here. And outside food is not allowed. You can take the coupon, or you can buy once you get into. You can for the food. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, tea, snacks, everything is available, but it is costly. One samosa cost 50 rupees. One samosa cost 50 rupees. So now we'll just have a look what all are there in this Wonderla Bhubaneswar. This is the landmark Wonderla that made a good facility. Everywhere they have some small tea, coffee, snacks and showrooms. This is once you enter in the right side, you will find the wave pool. This is the wave pool, and wave pool they put it in every half an hour, 40 minutes gap for 10 minutes. Now wave pool is there. You can see people are enjoying the wave pool. This is the wave pool. This is the fast water ride wave pool. That was the entrance where we came in. This is buffet lunch. You can ask for buffet lunch also. So this is the buffet lunch area, that is buffet lunch area. Then after this wave pool, you will find Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon is the next one. This water sports Blue Lagoon. You can enjoy the Blue Lagoon water sports. They kept the name of this Blue Lagoon as Galaxy Lagoon. This is Galaxy Lagoon water sports. This is that mushroom water side, then water rollers, this splash zone, this one. Then this one is rain dance area. This is under construction. The rain dance area is under construction. This rain dance area is under construction. This Galaxy Lagoon. After Galaxy Lagoon, it is Sea Lagoon. This Galaxy Lagoon and Sea Lagoon both are same. They are of small size, mostly for kids. Both are equal. This is the people are enjoying the dance. This Sea Lagoon is same as that Sea lagoon is same as that. The next one is, this one is from the height. You have to climb. You have to climb fourth floor, third floor, and fourth floor for these slides, water slides. There are six water slides. You have to be lay with a stomach towards bottom and on the pad. With that you will slide in that one. This is the water slide. You will see the water slide area. This is the water slide area. You can see the pets they are taking. The water slide area. From there you can slide in the water slide area with the pad. This is vertical fall. These two, red and blue. This red and blue are vertical fall. You can see these two are vertical fall. This is vertical fall. Red and blue are vertical falls. You can just sleep and you will fall vertically. That's a beautiful one. Vertical fall. Then this one is wave fall. This one is wave fall. Then you have to get down. That we are really told. You will lie down with your chest towards ground. This is the wave fall. Wave fall. Let's see, people are coming. Wave fall. This is the wave fall we saw. People are coming in that wave fall. This is vertical fall. Then after that you have see the vertical fall, wave fall. Then another ride, this one. This is another ride. Here there is 3 rides. One ride you will do alone. One ride 2 person and one open ride 3 person. This one is closed and one is open. These are for one single ride, one single person. And see, one is open. This yellow one is open and the red one is closed. You can see this yellow one is open, the red one is closed. Let's see if somebody is coming. Yes, one person had come. Then this red one, this is open ride with 3 persons. This red one is open one with 3 persons. This will be on a pad, on a balloon type with 3 persons. You can see. coming. This is 3-person ride. After this 3-person ride, again 2-person ride. That red one is open. No, sorry, that that yellowish one is closed, and the other one is open one. This is for the 2 persons. Okay, let's see. This one is open one and that one is closed one. You can see people will come. The lighter person will sit on the front side and the heavier person will sit on the back side. Same thing for the open one also. Lighter person will sit on the front side and the heavier person on the back side. It's a good ride one, you can enjoy it. After this ride, this also a water ride, but this is under construction. They have not completed this water ride. As of now, only this much of water ride they have. This one, again you have to climb up to 3rd floor and 4th floor to get to use this ride. And that one again you will have to climb up to 3rd floor and 4th floor to use that ride. Other two the other two are the smaller ones. That were smaller ones. Then you can come for other ride. Now we'll come. Now we'll see the dry rides. Okay, these all are the wet rides. These are the dry rides. We'll see the dry rides. This is the wave building. This is buffet lunch area, and they also serve you snacks. But you remember the food is very costly. Huh? One samosa they are charging 50 rupees. And there are smaller games also for children who want to play and win one game 100 rupees, one game 50 rupees, like this. There are smaller games. So this ride is under construction, and this will be one water sports type, because on the railing it will fall. While falling it is dry, and after reaching you will fall into the water. This ride. This is that old ride you know in all function, and you will find this horse ride mostly for children. This horse ride. You can get this horse ride. What this is known as carousel. This horse ride is they are asking as carousel. Then crocodile ride for small kids. This is crocodile cruise. Named Crocodile Cruise. This is for small kids. The crocodile. It's Crocodile Cruise. This is for the small kids. They are using this Crocodile Cruise for small kids. Then Sailor Spin, another rotating one, and for smaller kids. This is for the smaller kids. The Sailor Spin, smaller kids ride. And you know this one is a good ride. You'll find this is for the young and dynamic persons. This ride, Equinox ride. Equinox ride is there. You can enjoy this Equinox ride also. Equinox ride. Then this one is another ride, toy train. Simply, let's see what is the name of this toy train. This toy train ride. This toy train ride. They named it Jacko Coaster. They named this toy train ride as Jacko Coaster. This toy train ride, Jacko Coaster. They named. Then that boat ride also is there. That boat, that is pirate ship. They named it as pirate ship, the boat ride. That boat, rolling boat, they named it as pirate ship, rolling boat ride, named pirate ship ride. You can enjoy this ride also. And this roller coasters, this is the landmark, and they named this as a spinning coaster. This is they named it as spinning coaster. This ride, this is the landmark ride. If you want to enjoy, this is one of the best ride for you. This is one of the best ride. You definitely enjoy the ride. This is spinning coaster. They named it as spinning coaster. This is the spinning coaster. With this, your rides are finished. Two things which are beautiful and heart breathing. This one is spinning coaster, then that one, that pole one, that pole one. These two are heart breathing. You will really enjoy these two rides. That spinning coaster, this one, the spinning coaster, and this one, Equinox. These two rides are heart breathing. You will enjoy these two rides actually. Other rides are only for children. These two are for the strong persons. Then this is your dining area. Do you have breakfast, lunch, dinner? You have to pay for it. All the breakfast, lunch, dinner, tea, snacks they have available, but it's really costly. For breakfast and tea, they have samosa and mirchi bhaji. In lunch they have veg biryani, chicken biryani, fried rice and all. In dinner also the same. Also you can ask for parotha, specially cooked parotha, butter naan, and all you can have it. Okay, you have to get your wallet loose to enjoy the food here. Then now you had reached the entrance point. We had taken the complete round. This is the entrance point from where we had started our video. Parking is outside. So definitely this is one of its kind in Bhubaneswar. Earlier it was there, one was there in Phulnakhara, and this is another. Phulnakhara was a local one, and this is Wonderla, the branded one. You can definitely will enjoy. It's worth to visit. 4 hours is enough, and 4 hours and changing and all one day will be suffice. You will completely enjoy it. Wonderla. Now you can see people are going and coming also. This is the starting from where we had started. This is the right side from where we had started. We moved like this and moved like this and this. Then we finally came back from here. This right side from here the right side area is water sports and the left side area is dry sports, and left side is the food court, and in the front there is wave, that is buffet lunch. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.